Okay, let's turn. Can you turn? Wow, look, you can turn.
Hi!
You need your other hand on it. Oh, yeah.
Good job!
Yay, Blair.
There she goes.
Oh, she's turning. Blair is turning. Yeah. Big girl.
Vroom, vroom.
Vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom, vroom.
Good job
Look at
steering.
Blair. Okay, straighten it out. That's good. Come on. Did we get a little close to the Grammy's chair? Just a minute. Grammy moved her chair. Okay, here we go. Now, you can straighten it out or keep turning.
Say, go, go, go.
Can you turn? Can you straighten it? There. Good girl. We've not had the opportunity to steer, have we? Yeah.
She was steering the baby stroller the other night really well.
Good job. Yay, Blair!
I was very impressed.
You want it off the rug? Yeah. Okay. Yay, Blair! You see the wheels?
Let's check it out. How does it work? Yeah? That's you. What do you think about it?
Uh-huh. See? The seat for Blair. Yes, that's for Blair's. That's a bike for Blair. Blair was riding it.